Their reaction to your queendom is going to be whatever you want, you got it. Up to half of the kingdom type vibes. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a faithful subscriber to this channel, what are you waiting for? Everything you need to know about Prophetic Diary is down in the description box, so check it out. If you want to sign up for a one-on-one coaching call with myself, I would love to talk to you and get to know you. Let's talk about that issue, that marriage that just kind of just been following you around, you just don't have any clarity about. Let's talk about it on a one-on-one coaching call. Also, our brand coaching. Want to build that brand, take that idea off the paper and actually bring it to life so that you could become that mogul, that household name that you've been dreaming about becoming. But you can't unless you start somewhere. So let's start building that brand package. Let's build you up inside out, and then we'll present it to the world together. We have our PJs of Purpose. You guys know it's my favorite. I'm going to be talking about this Cinderella movie that on my way back from LA. And I was like, it was so much revelation in that movie. I was like, who was the director of this movie? Because it was just that good. We have the PD Society circles every single Sunday. We're going to be talking about the spirit of anger, that frustration you just can't get rid of. We'll talk about it. And last but definitely not least, we have our EXP Masterclass, the Inside Out Beauty Secrets that I'm going to share with you guys, from vitamins to hair, skin, glow, everywhere. Inside out, just like Esther. Oh yeah, and I forgot one more thing. Our She Means Business course, late registration is open for those who are going to enter in late registration. Many have already received their welcome package and ready to receive their homework, ready to receive their syllabus. It's going down October 15th. So hurry up and register. You're going to become that CEO that you dreamt about. The Lord gave me this word today. And your spouse will say, I'm giving you everything. And I know that sounds so far-fetched for some of you, but we saw this take place in Esther. Esther went boldly before the king, and instead of punishment, she received favor and open doors. Your kingdom marriage is going to be favor and open doors. I talked about that in Alive. Someone say open doors. He tells her, whatever you ask, even up to half of the kingdom, it will be given unto you. The king who has access, who already have these things that God has given to him for you. A lot of these blessings that these men are receiving, and the reason why God has positioned them and gave them the influence that they have, is it belongs to you and your future, your holy inheritance. Just like the king who once was hesitant, he had been through a lot with Vashti, or kind of resisted at times, didn't know, because they did say him and Esther didn't speak for some time because, things were going on, will overflow with generosity towards you. There's spirit. It's a spirit of generosity, right? It's not a lot of generous people in the world, but there are a lot of, there's others who are overflowing with generosity. That spirit came upon him to the point he was willing to give her everything, up to half the kingdom. And your spouses will say, I'll give you everything. Not just materially, not just material blessings, but their heart, their trust, commitment, and full alignment. And alignment is something that we've all been praying for, God knows. Many are going to do this for you, even your bosses and your jobs and careers and open doors. So Esther stayed quietly positioned, patiently waiting, and like we talked about yesterday, walking in courage. And God flips the script. And when he does flip the script, they're not going to come back empty-handed. This is what the Lord gave me for you. Take this word. If it applies to your life, take it and run with it and decree it over yourself. That you know what? My spouse is not going to come empty-handed. He's going to have that what? That love, that devotion, that commitment. Someone say alignment. So stay in position. Like Esther, you need to speak the truth. Speak the truth. Don't be a fraud. Be honest. And your prayer should be strength and patience and God's divine timing, and we already talked about that. But I wanted you to know that their spirit, their minds have been opened. I'm talking about people that's supposed to bless your ministry and destiny helpers. I'm talking about for every area of your life. But for kingdom marriage, God has been working on their hearts. And that spirit of generosity, like to have for the kingdom, whatever you want. Let's move to a new city. Let's get your business started. They're going to invest in you in ways that is going to blow your mind. They're going to be so generous and so loving. I'm just giving the words that the Lord gave me. It's going to blow your mind. Why? Because we talked about it in Coffee and Revelations today. Because they're going to know, don't you ever try what you tried on me a few months ago last year. Don't do that. They're going to know, like Peter. Oh, I can't deny him again. No. So God says, you know, when that king opened that door and he saw Esther, he was proud. And when that man opened that door, and you open that door, and that man see you, he's going to be proud. And he's never, ever. Somebody put in the description, in the comment section, ever. Don't play with you like that again. If anything, he's going to be giving you up to half of the kingdom. He's going to honor you, show you off to the world, just like I said. I love you guys. If you need a one-on-one, hook up with me. Reach out to me. And I'll see you guys on the live a little later. Bye-bye.